Today I'm going to make another moon tie-dye. I'm going to be using all the purples and blues as usual, but I'm also going to use some teal. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use that same technique I used with the sun. I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to start putting rubber bands all along. Okay, so you pinch it from the middle, then just do rubber band, rubber band, rubber band. Then after that, you scrunch the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get it ready. This time I'm starting off with like a nice heavy cotton, and I'm starting off the dry. I want to see how that looks, and also I have a lot of dye left over, so I just want to go ahead and make sure I use it all. So here we go. I'm thinking maybe I will use some of that green in there this time. It did come with the kit, so I'm going to give it a try. I didn't use it on, oh man, you know, it's a beautiful color. So the kit actually did come with this green, I just didn't use it on the last one. I don't know why. Turn it over. Starting with it dry and using a heavy cotton, I think it's going to absorb the dye in a way that's not like dripping off as much onto my plastic table cover here. That might be helpful. We'll see. And this is also a t-shirt, not a long sleeve shirt, so we'll see what that does for us. Could be interesting. I didn't use any of the pinks. I was thinking maybe I should use the pink sparingly where the white spaces are in between. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to go ahead and dab this a little bit. And then add pink to the white spaces that I still have. I'm going to unscrunch it a little bit. So that way I can see what it's looking like in there. So I'm going to try to get most pink. Alright, I have untied the scrunched portion to see what it looks like. Now it looks pretty good to me. Got lots of different colors in there. It blends nicely from blues to pinks to the green. And the other side, I have to be careful not to get anything on here. I already have some, so I'll try not to get more. The other side looks pretty good too when you look at it. Again, nice blends of pinks and blues and greens. Now the next thing I need to do is add some black, because you know, it is space after all, so it should get dark too. And then I have to add my mixed lighter black to the moon. Okay, again, we have to have it sit with this top part up, so that way I don't get colors on this moon part. Alright, so I'm going to put it in a bag with this part sticking up and let it sit. Alright, I'm going to let this sit 68 hours, or I think I might even let it sit longer and see if that helps. It's been washed, it's been dried, and it's time for the reveal. Here we go! Check this out. I absolutely love all the vibrant colors. I love the teal in there. Very interesting. Okay, let's check out the back. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I absolutely love all the colors in here. I'm going to go back to the front and give you a nice close-up. Check this out. What do you think? I just love these colors. They turn out a little bit different than I thought. And I would like your opinion. Does it look more like a moon or a star? Galaxy, moon. Okay, so now we have our sun and moon again. Check that out. Alrighty. If you love this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more cool tie-dye designs. see you next time.